Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I've worked extensively with my colleagues on the House Oversight Committee regarding artificial intelligence, and I'm not necessarily opposed to the emerging technology. Even if I were, it'd be like opposing the incoming tide of the ocean. It's happening. I think it's important that Congress provides a framework so that AI cannot be leveraged in any manner that's contrary to Americans' individual liberties, rights, and freedoms. I introduced the Transparent Automated Governance Act, the TAG Act, as a first step to set limits on government application of artificial intelligence. As a whole, the bill seeks to ensure federal agencies notify individuals when they're interacting with or subject to decisions made using AI or other automated systems, and directs federal agencies to establish a human review appeal process to ensure that human beings have supervision of AI-generated decisions that could impact the lives of Americans, and specifically our freedoms. So I have concerns about this tech, but we may as well embrace it, because there's, I think it's crucial that America lead in the emergence of AI technologies and how it interfaces with our daily lives. And may I say, we could have hours and hours of discussion about this, but I have 5 minutes. So I'm going to ask you, gentlemen, regarding the use of AI as it could contribute towards more effective counterintelligence or criminal investigations, as those criminal investigations and counterintelligence efforts relate to Homeland Security. I'm trying to focus in on this committee, our committee here, and our responsibilities. What are your thoughts, gentlemen, on how we can best deploy AI with our existing law enforcement endeavors for border security and criminal investigations that result from our effort to secure and resecure our border? Mr. Sikorsky, I'd like to start with you.
Yeah, that's a great question. I think one thing I look towards is the way we're already leveraging AI for cyber defenses. As I spoke about in my statement, we've been taking really large amounts of data and distilling it into very few actionable items that a human.
You say taking large amounts of data. Where are you getting that data from?
So for us as a cybersecurity company, we are focused on processing security data, which means ones and zeros, the malware that is found on the systems, the vulnerability enumeration of those systems, low-level operating system information that now enables us to tease out what's the actual threat, which is very distinct from.
So you're drawing your raw data from open sources, and from how are you accessing the raw data that you're analyzing?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So some of the data that we're getting is from the customer collection that we have in our products that are spread throughout the world. The telemetry, low-level information.
From the Fortune 100, you said your company works with 95 of the top 100.
That's right.
Okay, so those companies have agreements with their users. That's that part that we don't read as it comes up on your phone and you renew the agreement, and nobody reads it. We go to the bottom and click yes. So in the 95 companies, there's agreements to share that data. You're using that to analyze through AI for the purposes of what?
Yeah, that in order to find new attacks. So one of the things we're doing is it's firewall data, network level telemetry, host system level telemetry. This is very different than, say personal information or something like that. And instead, we're focused on that lower level data, bringing that together and then leveraging AI to say, how is that network attack related to what's happening on the actual computer? bringing that together quickly so that the analyst can find the threat and eliminate it very quickly.
And you're specifically referring to cybersecurity, but Mr. Chairman, my time has expired. I have many questions I'm going to submit to these gentlemen in writing, and thank you for convening this hearing. It's very important.
Absolutely. Thank you,